Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you own a 2024 Cadillac Escalade, and no matter what you do, whether you push the button here or you use the hands-free function down here with the sensor, the rear tailgate will not open on your Escalade. Here is what you most likely need to do. The fix is actually very simple. Most likely, you're going to come right here to the driver's seat and take a look here onto the upper console. This control right here is what you need to look at. And you can see that there's three different settings. Say max, 3/4, or off. Most likely, it's set to off. That is likely your problem. So let's go back here. We'll go try this one more time, and this time I'm just going to use the hands-free function. You can just do that, and you can see the logo down there that tells you where that sensor is located. And look at that, it opens right up. Most likely, that is your problem. Let me know if this helps, and tell me what other tutorials you would like to see down in the comments section. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.